This is my country, and this is the way it has been for more than 40 years. That's why I decided to become a video reporter.
Such public displays of dissent are exceedingly rare in Burma these days, and a clear challenge to the country's hardline military rulers.
The movement is bigger and bigger.
About 30 reporters are on the ground working undercover.
Hello, Jala. Hey, I don't know if I'm going to go to the
cameraman, I go, let me lose it.